Hence, in this problem, we are given product of fourth term and fifth term of an increasing arithmetic progression is 4, 5, 6. Division of ninth term by the fourth term of the progression gives quotient as 11 and the remainder as 10. Find the first term of the progression. Right. So let us write whatever that is given in words in the form of mathematical expressions. Right. We are given a ninth term. This ninth term, when it is divided by the fourth term, it is giving a remainder of 10 and quotient of 11. What does that mean? A9 is 11 times of A4 plus 10. Right. A9 by A4 is giving a remainder 10 and quotient 11. That means 11 times A4 plus 10 should become A9. Right. A9 should be 11 times A4 because 11 is quotient and 10 is remainder. 11 times A4 plus 10 is A9. And what is A9? A9 should be A4 plus 5D. Right? D is the difference. A4 plus 5D should be A9. So A4 plus 5D is 11 A4 plus 10. What does that mean? 10 A4 should be 5D minus 10. Right? 11 A4 minus A4, which is 5D minus 10. That means A4 should be 5D by 10, which is half D, minus 10 by 10, which is 1. So we got A4 is half D minus 1. Then what is A5? A5 should be A4 plus D, right? A5 and A4 are next to each other. A5 should be A4 plus D. Half D minus 1 plus D. What will it become? Half D plus D, which will become 3 by 2D minus 1. We know A4, we know A5. As per the problem, what is the question? The question says product of A4 and A5 is 4, 5, 6. Then product of this 3 by 2 d minus 1 and half d minus 1. Right, this should be equal to 4, 5, 6. A4 times A4 plus d. Right, let us just expand this. 3 by 2d into half d, which is 3 by 4d square, minus 3 by 2d minus half d plus 1. This becomes 3 by 4d square minus 2d plus 1. That becomes 3d square minus 4 times 2, 8d plus 4 is equal to 456 times 4, which is 1824. This becomes 3d square minus 8d minus 1820 equals 0. We know 182 is 13 times 14, right? 182 is 13 times 14. We want to split this 1820 into 3 into two numbers so that their sum is minus 8. So we have to split 1820 into 3. That is 13 times 14 times 10 times 3. Right, we have to split this into two parts so that the sum is minus 8. So we can write it as 13 times 14 times 5 times 6. Right. So 13 into 6 is 78. 14 times 5 is 70. So minus 78 plus 70 will work. Right. 3d square minus 78d plus 70d minus 1820 is equal to 0. 3d times d minus 26 plus 70d d times d minus 26. But 26 is 13 times 2, right? 3d into 26. Right. So this one, then what will it become? 3d plus 70 into d minus 26 equals 0. D is either minus 70 by 3 or d equals 26. Right. Here the question is about increasing arithmetic progression. So d should be positive. So then what is our A4? A4 is half d minus 1, which is half of 26, which is 13 minus 1, which is 12. In fact, if this increasing was not there, if it is written just about some arithmetic progression, we can use this d also to find out another set of A4 and A5 and another set of sequences. That will also work. You can try it yourselves. Right, guys? Then also those conditions will still satisfy this A9 and A4 and A5, whatever. Right, guys? Hope you like this. Thank you.